We have filtered through hundreds of apps to bring you the best. Here is part 2 of the list. 1. Shazam. Waggle your phone about while a song plays in the background, and the app will reveal what it is. Now, you don't even have to get your phone out, just wave your arm around to reveal a song's title and also lyrics. 2. Trivia Crack. More or less a stripped-down asynchronous Trivial Pursuit, Trivia Crack has you clash brains with someone online, choosing from 6 categories of questions, and collecting little characters as you go. Once the game's been started, it can be played entirely on Apple Watch, although that doesn't mean you can then use your iPhone to cheat and look up answers. 3. OneFootball. OneFootball's Apple Watch app is all about getting you closer to the action. You set up teams to follow on your iPhone, and your Apple Watch can then be used to check up on the day's matches. If one of your teams scores, you will hear a ding on your wrist. 4. Cruncher. We are adding Cruncher here as an alternative calculator, primarily because it's good if you are blessed with sausage fingers. It might not be elegant heading into a submenu for numbers, but Cruncher's keys are easier to stab than those in any rival product. 5. eBay. The mobile eBay experience in many ways betters using the auction site on desktop, and the Apple Watch app provides a further level of focus. With it, you're able to conveniently manage all of your eBay buying and selling activity on the go.